Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to make a video about a tip to eliminate annoying, embarrassing stomach noises when you're in class. This is something that used to happen to me a lot, especially when I was in high school and my first 2 years of college. So basically the number one tip that I would give to you if you're sitting in class and you just have these annoying as heck stomach noises that make you not be able to focus, make you just so uncomfortable. Yeah, they make you so uncomfortable, especially if you're taking a test, you can't focus, and it's the only thing you can think of. The only thing that you're thinking of is to suppress this annoying digestive process that is happening in your stomach. How to avoid this, how to not have this happen to you: do not consume milk. This means don't consume any dairy, don't consume anything that has milk from it. This means yogurt, cheese, basically anything that comes from a cow. If you think about it, humans are designed to drink human milk. Cows are designed to drink cow milk. It does not make any sense why humans are drinking cow milk. There's tons of evidence showing that it is not good for our body. Basically how this relates to the stomach noises is dairy products are hard to digest, and we're not really meant to digest them. Most of the population is knowingly lactose intolerant, and a lot of people still choose to consume dairy, and I think it's mainly because of an addiction. When I cut out dairy products and most animal products, well, all animal products, I never had any of those annoying, embarrassing sounds and feelings again. And this is big because you can go into a classroom where it's pure silence, especially in a testing environment. You can go into the classroom and you're not going to have to worry about your stomach making these ridiculously annoying and gross sounds trying to digest the dairy. And that was the main thing that caused my stomach to make noises, was the dairy products. And so another tip would just to be eat breakfast before you go to class. Don't go to class starving. This is so bad. Not only are you not going to be able to focus because you're so hungry, but your stomach might growl as well. So what I'd recommend is to eat breakfast before you go to class. And what do I recommend? I recommend like oatmeal, a meal full of fruit, a mono fruit meal, a smoothie, all these foods that have fiber in them. No animal products have fiber in them. Eat these foods. They're carbohydrates. They'll give you energy. They'll help you focus, and you won't be thinking about the annoying noises that are happening, or now not happening, in your stomach. It's for everybody to hear. If you do not want to have annoying as fudge stomach noises happen to you or occur while you're in class, then stop drinking milk and stop eating cheese and stop consuming yogurt. It's simple. it.